Hey y'all, it's Zuri Hall, and this is Not About Sports, the show where I talk to your favorite names in the game about everything except the game. For more than a decade, you've watched me interview Hollywood's biggest stars, from award shows to red carpets, Access Hollywood, American Ninja Warrior, Live from E. The list goes on, and it has been a wild ride. And if there is one thing I take pride in being known for, it's getting to the heart of the matter.
I am a big crier.
Are you?
Yes, I am. I'm a crybaby. Can't.
When is the last time you cried?
Probably 2 days ago. I don't know.
I think that's good. I think it's a sign of emotional intelligence.
But I will hide it though.
Why?
Good question.
Walk me through the moment when you allowed yourself to exhale and enjoy becoming a mother for the first time.
I think I still have moments of like, wait, I'm his mom. Like, he belongs to me.
What is love to you?
Okay, Oprah.
We are talking about the stuff that actually builds a life. One-on-one conversations about dating, relationships, marriage.
He know who we married.
Exactly, that part.
You're in a relationship, it's early, and you don't see any of those red flags. You need a good friend to throw the flag, like, hey.
What is the most winning quality of an athlete that has helped you succeed in your marriage?
The ability to go back and review tape. We used to do that on Mondays in the NFL.
Pregnancy and parenthood.
Motherhood is beautiful, and being pregnant, a child is a gift from God. My heart really does go out to women who do not get to experience that.
Money, generational wealth, life after the game.
70 million plus.
Whoa.
Over the span of your career.
Whoa, you're in my pockets.
surprised?
Yes. Sheesh. The only difference between me and a lot of the other horror stories that we hear is that I played long enough to make up for the mistakes.
You know what? I'm done. I'm not doing this.
The toughest lessons we've learned.
What stands out the most to you coming from OH, by the way?
Yeah.
He's straight into being a working professional at 20 years old at the highest level.
I remember one of the veterans, and I came in with just like bad attitude, was having a bad day. And he was just like, don't nobody care that you having a bad day? I gotta feed my kids, man. And it was like coming out of college, yeah, bro, this is where professionalism comes in, yeah.
Masculinity to me is like using your strength to help others.
And the futures we're hoping for.
When's the last time you felt absolutely ridiculous in the best way?
There's a video on Instagram I did where I frolicked for the first time.
Did you frolic?
I frolicked. I think every man should frolic at least once in their life.
Sometimes I want to come home and talk about why work wore me out today. And I just want to feel heard in that process, right? Like for women, I think a lot of the bonding sometimes comes in the getting it out
Can I ask
information.
a simple question?
Please.
Why not just fill in all the blanks?
Because I want you to ask me, because I want to know that you care enough to know
I'm
the
looking
details.
at you. I'm talking to you. You got my undivided attention. Just go.
This is not your daddy's press conference. I love to have a good time, so yes, the games get wild. We will act up, and chaos will ensue.
We're gonna do a little latte versus latte. You claim to be this big bad barista, and I believe you.
Okay, all right.
believe you.
Yeah, I don't think you want none of this.
Have you met me?
You know coffee like that?
I don't know how appropriate it is to wear lingerie to the game.
Kinda out of my wheelhouse.
Their arms pop off too.
What?
Oh, there we go. One arm down.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
Faster.
Right here.
Okay.
Steam pipe is what that's called. This is not. Okay, the arms aren't too bad. Ah! Spoke too soon. We are going to paint each other and then do the big reveal at the end of our chat. You ready?
Okay?
Okay.
You're not gonna be offended, are you?
What?
I have to lay her on the ground too? Oh my gosh.
Girl, I'm over here stressed. I just found a pant. I need Super Bowl mentality.
I'm ready.
For this canvas.
I got it.
I don't think I've ever watched anyone put it on.
Straight to the brain.
So whether you're diehard or just there for the snacks on game day, I'm giving you more reasons to root for the people behind the game. So come join the home team, subscribe, and get ready to go off script this offseason. I'm Zuri Hall, and this is Not About Sports.